So this is what the stock is looking like at the moment. It's looking pretty good. This is where obviously all the shows are going to be. Hey, at the back here, right just next to the St James's metro station. We're going to go around the front here in a minute. Obviously there's not much at the back of here. So yeah, I'll take you around the front and I'll show you around the front now. So obviously this wasn't here before, but now there's a bank going up here. They've got rid of all the big hill. They've got the metro there and also the sign up there. Now the entrance. And you're going around the front where the city gate is. And you've also got all of the massive, huge entrance there as well, which looks absolutely mint. So yeah, this is going to be opening hopefully very soon. Here we go, another shirt complete and added to the collection. It's unreal, like it's just so nice. We've got number 10 Gordon on the back. Fingers crossed he doesn't leave this season and get transferred over to Liverpool, because there's obviously his rumours. But it's really nice. Premier League, noon, Gordon on the back, the new OG old logo, the nostalgia retro logo, which is unbelievable. But yeah, so I was surprised I was doing a vlog today because I didn't realise the third kit was coming out today, but we've got it. So it's to see another shirt complete and bought and purchased to add to the collection. So yeah, the next video on the channel 100,000% will be on Thursday, which is the Bulgaria vlog for 2024 this year, which is going to be good. This has been your boy Harry H. I love you all, take care, stay safe. I know there wasn't really much of a big vlog. I only talked a bit about the stock. Didn't really record anything with me purchasing the shirt or anything. But as I say, I shall see you all on Thursday. Have a good rest of your week. I'll see you all then. Take care. I'll see you then. I think I've already said about 1,000 times. Goodbye.